In this guide, you'll learn how to restore your iPhone from a iCloud backup. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your old iPhone has a recent backup stored in iCloud and that you know the password for your Apple account. You'll also need a stable Wi-Fi connection, and it's best to keep your new device plugged in and charging during the process. Start by turning on a new iPhone and following the on-screen setup steps until you reach the Quick Start screen. Then tap Setup without another device and continue. When you reach the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen, choose from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple account and accept the terms and conditions. Next, select the most recent backup from a previous iPhone and continue through the setup steps, which may include setting up cellular service or an eSIM. Your iPhone will begin restoring your data and you'll see a progress bar while information downloads from iCloud. This process may take some time, but once the main restore is finished, you can start using your iPhone while apps, photos, and other data continue downloading in the background over Wi-Fi. And that's how you transfer your data to a new iPhone using an iCloud backup. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.